Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the Xiaomi Redmi Y2 which I bought from Amazon lately. Let's cut the packaging out first. And then inside of which, here is the box itself in red color. This phone has a 16MP selfie camera with LED flash, the 12 plus 5MP dual rear camera, the 5.99-inch IPS HD LCD display and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 SoC. Now let's cut the outer plastic packaging off. Peeling it off from the box. And guys, before cutting the seal off from this box, I will give you one more look at the back of the box. As you can see, this device comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, and it is also made in India. Then let's cut the seal off. And well, unbox it. It's a little tight to unbox at first, but yeah, open. And inside it, here's the device itself. Let's take it out. Keep it aside for now. And inside this small box, there is a soft TPU case for the device, which is included in the box itself, and the user guide. Make sure to read this to get all the infos of the product, and the warranty card also. Now let's put the TPU case onto the device, and it's a snug fit. Now let's take the micro USB charging cable / data transfer cable. As you can see, this is micro USB and not type C. Then the wall adapter or the power adapter. This is rated at 5 volts and 2 amperes. Now comes the difficult part of setting the device up. Before that, there is the Redmi Y2 branding, the 16MP selfie camera infos, the 12 plus 5MP dual camera branding, and the 5.99-inch HD 720p display. At the back, there is a fingerprint scanner, the dual rear camera setup, and the dual tone LED flash. Up top, there is the 3.5mm headphone jack, the IR blaster and secondary microphone. At the bottom, there is the speaker grill, the microphone grill, and the Type-C micro USB port. And guys, I forgot to show you in the unboxing, this is the SIM ejector tool. Now let's take out the case to insert the SIM and also the factory installed screen protector. Now let's insert this SIM, and to do that, let's insert the SIM ejector tool first. This is the SIM tray, which can hold 2 nano SIMs and 1 micro SD card up to 256 gigabytes, which is not included in the box. You have to buy it separately, guys. But still, it is better than the hybrid SIM slots found on most of the devices right now. Let's insert it. Oops, I dropped it. Recovering it. Yep, got it. And then let's insert it back inside. And then your SIM is safely inserted onto the device. These are the power button and the volume rockers. Now let's on the device for the first time. Hopes there is some juice left in it. Yep, the Mi Band branding appears at first. And then the Android logo at the bottom. The Android is starting up. This device runs on MIUI 9.0 on top of Android Oreo 8.0. Let's put the case on back. I'll choose English UK. To choose India, you have to scroll down. Still down. Searching for India. Got it. Confirming it. I'll choose the default Gboard as the keyboard. I'll skip it. Agreeing all the T and C's. Checking for further updates. I'll set this device as new. Now guys, this might take a while. And then after that you have to sign in your Google account and then your Me account. If you don't have, you must create one. After that, to set your fingerprint, it's essential to set a password first, so choose your liking. I will choose the password. Now place your finger on the fingerprint sensor. The sensor is recognizing your finger, my finger. Yep, almost there. Done. I'll choose the first theme for now. And that's it, your device is set up. After this, there is some waiting. This takes a lot of time, and then your device is set up. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'm signing off for now.